my thinking with the Fed. The Fed right now wants to raise rates. They want to do 50 basis points this week. They want to do 75, and this is just not what they want to do. This is what the futures markets are pricing in. 50 basis this week, and then in June they want to do a 75-point hike, and they want to end up between 2.75 and 3.25 at the end of the year. That's over 90% chance right now. That's what futures markets are pricing in. That's not me. That's not whatever. That's what the markets are pricing in. So if at any point this year the Fed says, they want to slow down on that rate rising cycle, that's when I think we rally, and who knows if that happens or when it comes, but that's kind of what I'm preparing myself for. And, I think it's just back and forth chop until then, really.